Dear students, we are going to study geometrical isomerism in CN6 complexes, octahedral complexes. So here two important points are there to remember. First is MA6, A5B, AB5 type complexes do not show geometrical isomerism. And it is shown by complexes of the type A4B2, A3B3, AA whole twice A2. A6, A5B, AB5, A4B2, A3B3. I hope these arrangements are understood to all of you. A6 represents 6 similar monodentate ligand. A5B represents 5 similar monodentate and 1 different, and same in case of AB5. So A4B2, A3B3 in the same way. Coordination number is 6. Total number of ligands are 6 in number. So you can see here. Now what is this AA whole twice A2? AA represents symmetrical bidentate ligand. What is the meaning of symmetrical bidentate? Let us understand with the help of example. Now when I say symmetrical bidentate ligand. So in case of symmetrical bidentate ligand, I represent it using AA, which means here both the donor atoms are same. That is why we are calling it symmetrical bidentate. The best example of this is oxalato, COO minus, single bond COO minus. Donor atoms are same, oxygen. We can have unsymmetrical bidentate ligands as well, which we'll use in the future videos. Unsymmetrical bidentate. So what is the meaning of unsymmetrical bidentate? Where donor atoms are different. We represent it using AB. Alright. And the best example for this is glycinato, NH2, single bond CH2, single bond COO minus. Here one side donor atom is O, oxygen, and other side donor atom is nitrogen, N. So I hope it is clear to all of you. Now coming on to the CN6 complexes. Now let us understand with the help of trick that why these complexes do not show geometrical isomerism. So when I say A6, you can see here, for complex A6, I can make pairs of the ligand. So 3 pairs are possible, in which first pair AA, second pair AA, third pair AA. All 3 pairs are made up of same ligand. So on flipping the position, there is no use. So we can't have different geometrical arrangements. So no geometrical isomerism is shown by A6. When it comes to A5B, I can have 3 pairs of the type 5A are there. So AA first pair, second pair also AA, and third will be AB. Pairing of the ligand I am showing here. So if I exchange the ligands in any of the pairs, no different situation I'll get. So this also does not show geometrical isomerism. Same we'll see in case of AB5. AB5, same as in case of A5B. Now coming on to A4B2, A3B3, we'll apply the trick here. When I say A4B2, so I'll make 3 pairs, 4 A ligands and 2 B ligands. So first pair is AA, second pair is AA, third pair will be BB. So if I flip the position of the ligands in this pair and between this pair, so I get here, first will be AA, now this will become AB and this will become AB. So on flipping, interchanging the ligands between the pairs, I get a different arrangement. That means A4B2 can have 2 geometrical arrangement. So it shows the geometrical isomers, and 2 geometrical isomers are possible. Now when I say A3B3, A3B3 means I can have 3 pairs. First one is AA, 3 A ligand and 3 B ligands are there. Second one will be AB, third one will be BB. So if I interchange the ligands between first and third pair, so I get new pairs as AB, second will remain as it is, third also will become AB. So on exchanging the ligands, I am getting new arrangement of the ligands. That means A3B3 clearly shows geometrical isomerism. MAA whole twice A2 type of complex will directly see in the arrangement. Now A4B2. In case of A4B2, we can have 2 complexes as you have seen in the trick. 2 geometrical isomers are possible, out of which one will be cis and one will be trans. In case of cis arrangement, 2 similar monodentate ligand, that is B2, will occupy the adjacent position in the square plane. Adjacent position in the square plane, and rest 4 positions will be occupied by 4 similar monodentate ligands. So this is cis form. Now it's transform. Now it becomes very easy to understand. In case of transform, only we have to exchange the position of A and B. A and B. On exchanging the position, I get all A occupying the square plane and B occupying the axial position. So this is transform for this type of geometrical isomer. When I say about MA3B3, A3B3, we can have two definitely isomers, cis and trans. Its cis form is also called as facial isomer, and its trans form is also known as meridional isomer. Now, what is the meaning of facial and meridional isomer? So, in case of cis, it's cis isomer. 3 similar ligands occupy a face of the octahedron. Like, if I join these ligands, I get a face of the octahedron occupied by 3 B ligands. Similarly, if I draw a face here below the plane, so a face here is occupied by 3 same A ligands. So this situation corresponds to cis form. Since a face is occupied by similar 3 ligands, so cis form is also known as facial isomer. Now its trans form. Trans form is called as meridional. It's due to the reason that a meridian line of the complex is occupied by similar ligand. Now you can see here 3 B ligands, they are falling in the same meridian line if I draw. Alright. So its trans form, that's the reason, is also called as meridional isomer. Now coming on to MAA whole twice A2. AA whole twice means a bidentate ligand, symmetrical bidentate ligand, which has 2 similar donor atom A bonded A. Like in case of oxalato COO minus, single bond COO minus. This is A, this is A. Alright. So A single bond A, I am representing a symmetrical monodentate ligand. A symmetrical bidentate ligand. In case of cis form, the similar monodentate ligand occupies the adjacent position of the square plane. Adjacent position of the square plane, and the rest positions will be occupied by or acquired by symmetrical bidentate ligands. You can see here, this is one symmetrical bidentate ligand AA, A bonded A, and this is the other second symmetrical bidentate ligand. So this corresponds to the cis position. Now transform. In the transform, the symmetrical bidentate ligands are opposite to each other in a square plane. So this is one AA and this is other AA, symmetrical bidentate ligand, and the 2 similar monodentate ligands, they occupy the axial position. So this is the trans arrangement of MAA whole twice A2 type. I hope geometrical isomerism is very clear in C6 octahedral complexes.